Today we are going to be discussing a topic that has been on everyone's mind. Well, it certainly has been on my mind. What distinguishes cooking from baking? Even though some of you might mistakenly believe it, there actually is a difference between cooking and baking. Don't believe me? Let's boil it down really quickly. In cooking, you normally use a stovetop or a range in which you grill, saute, fry, or boil food. The heat is frequently intense. Therefore, you must be able to swiftly regulate the temperature to prevent burning your meal. On the other hand, baking entails cooking things in the oven, where you prepare batter or dough and put it in the oven for it to cook. That's delicious. Because the temperature is significantly lower when you bake foods. It takes a lot longer for it to cook. Thus, you have to have patience. Time to take the cake out. Here we go. Ooh. Wow. Just look at that. Whoa. To be fair, I forgot to prep my pans. I didn't even put anything in the pan. I'm so surprised it actually came out. Decoration and presentation ideas can be really creative when baking a cake. Also, consider the various pastries and cakes you can make. Frosting a cake. Oh yeah, chocolate frosting. On the other hand, flavor and seasoning is really important in cooking. It helps it get a really good flavor profile. And feel free to add as many spices or flavor to your food as you like. One major difference between cooking and baking is that when baking, you have to measure out your ingredients. For example, when you bake a cake, you have to precisely measure out your flour, sugar, and other ingredients. But when cooking, you can be a lot more flexible and just throw in some onions and some peppers and sprinkle a little salt, and then that's how you have it. The cake is done. But whether you're baking or cooking, at the end of the day, the goal is to make something delectable for your family and friends to enjoy. It's kinda ironic how I didn't really cook anything in this video, but I taught you the difference between baking and cooking while baking a cake. Now, time to taste it. So good. Delicious. Just to die for. Now, go click this video over here to see what YouTube recommends that you should watch. Click it. Go. Click it right now.